We have a 2018 Lexus IS300 key fob here today. I'm showing you to open it up to replace your battery if you want to. So on the left side here, you have a button that says push right here. So get your thumb, push the top of it down, hold it down, and then you need to pull out the emergency key. It's at the bottom of the remote right here. So we're gonna push, and it unlocks this emergency key like this, okay? Now once we have that out, we have two slots in here we're looking at. We have the one the emergency key came out. We're not using that one. We have this vertical one right here. Now, I'm gonna use a flathead screwdriver to pretty much open up the remote using this vertical slot right here. Now, you could use the key if you wanted to, but I'm using a screwdriver. So just put it in here and just give the screwdriver a twist. And that opens it up, okay? So that stops you from like prying and digging at the remote and tearing it up. We just take the back half off like that. Now when you do this, you want to do it with the buttons facing down. As you can see, all this can come out and just fall out pretty easily. And with this remote, these buttons are like little individual pieces. So if you do this upside down, all this will fall out and it'll go all over the place. If you're in the car, that's really bad. If you're at home, it might not be too bad if you're on the table or something. So you want to do it with the buttons facing down. Now you're going to want to hold this guy together, go at the bottom and just pop the battery up and out. I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery is a CR2032 battery, positive sign facing out towards us. We stick it into the top first like this, then we lock it in like that. Get the back cover, stick it on here, start at the top and work your way down. Just lock it down. Emergency key goes back in and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me or leave me a comment.